say to you, ain't got a prayer, a chance and you nowhere. But I just didn't care. When I looked in your eyes, you were a long shot from the start, an easy way to break my heart. But as perfect as you are, you gotta risk it all sometimes. I believe in the underdog who chases dreams and breaks down walls, the shy kid who gets the prom queen, who's never been the star of anything. And those two lovers hit your city hall. They got each other, so they've got it all. Call me a dreamer, say I'm a little naive. Oh, but I believe in the underdog. We bought a 4-room fixer-up on the side of town where times are tough. Short on cash, but long on love. Yeah, we sure showed it. Then you gave me your little man, so small he fit inside my hands. 2 months early, 2 pounds, the tallest kid in 3rd grade now. I believe in the underdog who chases dreams and breaks down walls, the shy kid who gets the prom queen, who's never been the star of anything. And those two lovers hit your city hall. They got each other, so they've got it all. Call me a dreamer, say I'm a little naive. Oh, but I believe in the underdog. The bank's still breathing down our necks. We're still living check to check. Girl, we dig deeper every day. We still hit our knees and pray. We pray, we pray. I believe in the underdog who chases dreams and breaks down walls. How a guy like me could get the prom queen. I never been the star of anything. And those two lovers hit your city hall. Still got each other, so they've got it all. Call me a dreamer, say I'm a little naive. Yeah, you can call me a dreamer, say I'm a little naive. But I believe in the underdog.
Coach Nelson, Jason Wyatt, The Lost Trailers, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you guys.
Thanks to Wolf.
Love you.